In international business, disputes are actually not uncommon. Differences in interest, contractual issue, or change in market condition can easily trigger conflict between parties. However, what is interesting is that not all companies choose to bring their disputes to court. One of the main reasons is that court proceedings are usually open to the public. This means that various documents and sensitive business information may become exposed during the process. Because of this, many parties prefer to resolve their dispute through alternative dispute resolution, which provides a more private and flexible way of settling conflict. One of the important characteristics of ADR is the principle of confidentiality. Unlike court proceedings, which are generally open to the public, dispute resolution through ADR is usually conducted in a more private setting. This means that not everyone can access or know what is discussed during the process. Typically, only the parties directly involved in the dispute participate in the process. This may include the disputing parties, their legal advisor, and neutral third parties who assist in resolving the dispute, such as mediators or arbitrators. Because the process is not open to the public, the discussions that take place are not easily known by outside parties. This becomes particularly important in international business disputes, where conflict often involves sensitive information such as contract terms, transaction values, or a company business strategies. If such information becomes publicly available, it could have significant consequences for the business position of the parties involved. Through confidentiality in ADR, parties often feel more comfortable discussing the real issue and exploring possible solutions more openly, without worrying that important business information will be disclosed to the public. To better understand this concept, we can imagine a simple example in a business dispute. For instance, two companies from different countries collaborate under a business contract. After some time, a dispute arises because one party believes that the agreement has not been properly fulfilled. If the dispute is brought to court, the contract and various business documents may be discussed in court proceedings that are open to the public. This could pose certain risks for both companies. Therefore, the parties may choose to resolve the dispute through alternative dispute resolution, such as mediation. In this way, the discussion of the dispute can be conducted more privately, ensuring that important information related to their business cooperation does not become publicly disclosed. From this, we can see that confidentiality is one of the key reasons why many companies prefer to use ADR in resolving disputes. For companies operating internationally, maintaining the confidentiality of business information can be just as important as winning the dispute itself. Therefore, ADR functions not only as an alternative to the court litigation, but also as a safer and more flexible way to resolve business conflicts.